Alright, on this Porsche, it had no refrigerant in it, and I did a quick vacuum. It was not losing vacuum. Vacuum was holding. Now nitrogen pressure, I went up to 200 psi, and you could see it's dropping down just by tenths, 1/10 of a psi at a time, real slowly. So here's an electronic leak detector. Do I have it on? Yes, I do. So watch the light. Now watch as I turn this way. Right there. So it's picking it up, and as you can see, I'm like 3 feet away from it. The leak, as you can see, so that's how far away I am, and it could pick up the leak. None of us can hear the leak out here. And I see some metal fittings. There's a lot of rubber. And so now I'm going to, shoot, I left my squirt bubbles for bubbling at another shop, so that's not gonna go. I'll throw some refrigerant in there and pinpoint it. Let's see what happens. Plus I wanna see if this works. It's such a small leak. I could throw some dye and refrigerant in there. And, but it's big enough I might be able to see it with the dye. Let's find out. Next video.